party.
So nice to see you again. We're just gonna do a quick video on how we do our up hairdos and our
pineapple.
4C's so annoying blah 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 video. You guys are asking and we're gonna show you. Here we go.
It's called the pineapple thing. Basically SpongeBob's house. It makes it sound a bit special. Just take it. Move.
Hurt.
Make sure you have no metal rubber bands.
So we both did a braid out on our hair, and we took our braid outs out, and now we're just going to put it up. Right guys, so if you want to see how we've stretched our hair, because don't be fooled, trust me, our hair is 4C. But if you want to see how we stretched our hair and everything, make sure you check out Alma's 4C what is it called? Stretched hair video?
Yes, you'll find it on our page.
Or you can watch Lydia's stretched hair tutorial, because you get a lot more information.
Lydia, please shut up.
Anyways, and also my edges aren't like properly laid here, but they're a lot flatter. But we have a video about how we slay our edges, and that helps kind of if you want your updo to, you know, be
snatched.
You know, snatched the little bit of edges. What we like about this style as well is the fact that there is low manipulation. So, you know, your hair, this style can last you a couple of days as long as you continue to moisturize it.
Water, can do, and shea butter.
Now we're coming towards one of our favorite parts where we can have some curly whirlies.
A little bit of curl on the side.
And so explain what nonsense you're doing to your big head.
Well, you'll see me parting it right here. Now I'm just placing it. You can, you know, fold it and then get a pin and slide it in, or you can make a hole in your hair like this. See? And then you can slide it in like a keyhole.
Oh, I see what you did.
Clever. And you do it on the other side, and that's all.
Right. Well, what I'm doing here is twisting, because my hair is quite thin in that section. So by twisting it, it just adds a bit of weight, and as you can see now, it's kind of laying on my face a bit more. Now, what do you think about when we leave the house and the wind's blowing? Do you think this hairstyle will survive it?
It can survive. Just safety hair bobbins are actually really good.
Yeah,
you do it near
having
the
them
ear,
safety pins.
Or you can just put the side parts behind your ear and you'll still look nice.
Yep. And voila!
Ding-ding.
Alright.
Do I need to get my knife?
Who's that?
This ain't no time. We're about to get killed.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Lettuce.
Lettuce who?
Let us in.
What? Let us in.
Let us in. Let us in.
In what?
The door. I don't know.
Lydia, you tell terrible jokes, man.
Go ahead.
Okay. What did the doctor put in the medicine?
Dr. Pepper.
Lydia, no! How did you know? I used that since primary.
Every time a doctor. She always has to bring up Dr. Pepper.
It's such a good joke.
No, it's not.
It is.
No, it's
no
not.
one gets that.
So guys, there you have it, our simple hairstyle.
SpongeBob Pineapple House.
Honestly, it's not a whole lot going on here. It's literally just put your hair up and, you know, let it go as free as you want it to.
Or as high.
Yeah, and be prepared. Some people are going to say your hair, I like your messy do, not knowing how much effort went into it. But, you know, we are fabulously us. So,
oh, I need y'all to be my GP. Why do I have a dent in my hand?
It ain't gonna show up, and you need to get over yourself.
You can see it a little bit.
Okay.
Thank you for watching.